Then Jesus said, I don't work like that. When you have kept people for so long, you cannot release them to go home when they are still hungry. He told the disciples, give them food. Give them food. So disciples said, hey, this Jesus is also becoming funny these days. The disciples started looking at each other. I think Judas looked at Peter. Judas told Peter, I have told you many times that this man's hand is not good. How can he even imagine that we can feed all these people? I think Matthew, you know Matthew was an accountant. He was called from a revenue office. So Matthew had gone out already and he had counted the people. He knew how to count. So he had counted 5,000 men. Without women and children. So in total they must have been over 10,000. The disciples said, how can he tell us to feed all of this? Another disciple came. He said, Jesus, you are funny. You are so funny. I mean, how can you even imagine? And he said, actually, a 6-month salary of a senior government officer cannot buy enough bread for each of these people to have even a small bite. Listen to this, very, very important. So, another disciple came. Already the disciples wanted to ambush Jesus and even embarrass him. Another one came. And he said, Jesus, I was looking around to see whether actually there are people here who brought their lunch. So that we can ask them to have their lunches shared. And when I was looking around, do you know what I have seen? Only one young boy sitting there with a lunch box. With only 5 small loaves of bread. And only 2 fish.